The Salesforce.com Cloud Connector Suite, developed by SimpliCTI, provides out-of-the-box supported integration between Salesforce.com and some of the most widely utilized call center platforms. All connectors in the suite are designed to minimize the effort associated with establishing connectivity and communication, and to allow professional services activities to focus on the implementation of value-added business rules. The connector suite speeds issue resolution, can reduce handle time, and enables faster call processing by providing the agent with a screen pop of customer information when they receive the call. When an agent receives a telephone call, he can answer, conference, or put the call on hold using controls within the Salesforce application. The Click to Dial feature allows the agent to click on any phone number in Salesforce to launch a call. When an agent transfers the call to another agent, the call data follows along and a screen is popped for the new agent, saving valuable time, and the customer won't have to provide their information all over again. With quick and easy implementation, typically running 3 to 4 weeks and requiring very little professional services, your center can be running more efficiently in no time. SimpliCTI provides the experience and support you need to get your contact center CTI enabled in a timely manner. Let's walk through a demonstration of how the connector could be used in your contact center. The first step is to log in by entering your agent ID, password, and extension number. When logged in, the agent is automatically put into the Not Ready state, and your agent information is displayed at the top of the toolbar. The agent may now change his status from Not Ready to Ready. At this point, he is ready to receive calls from the queue. When the customer call comes into the call center and arrives at the agent desktop, the screen will populate with the record that matches the caller ID or the customer entered account information. To answer the call, the agent will click on the answer bar. The screen will also pop if transferred to another agent to save time and prevent having to ask the caller for the information again. If a call comes in that has multiple matches, a list of those matches appears in the toolbar. The agent will select the appropriate record for the calling party and continue the call. Once the agent has answered the call, the telephony functions become available. The agent may end the call, place it on hold, or transfer or conference the call. The call log is also accessible at this point. When the agent places the call on hold, it will indicate that the call is on hold and display the hold time. To go back to the call, just press the Retrieve from Hold bar. When the agent clicks on Transfer or Conference, it will display a dial pad. He or she can either use the dial pad or type the number into the box above the dial pad. From this point, either a warm or cold transfer may be initiated. If Selective Wrap-Up is enabled, the agent can choose the wrap-up state during the call. Upon completion of the call, the agent can use this time to enter any notes into the comments box, as well as select the wrap-up code. In some call centers, there's no need for the wrap-up feature and it can be disabled. Once the agent completes the wrap-up, he or she will be returned to the ready state and be available to handle the next call. Upon completion of the call, specific data about the call is entered automatically into the call log. If the agent clicks on the activity, he or she can see the notes that were entered into the comment box. When the agent needs to remove themselves from the ready state, he or she can click on the drop-down box and a list of reason codes will appear from which to choose. Once the appropriate reason code is selected, the agent's state will change to Not Ready. If it's necessary to change the reason code selected, just click on the Change Not Ready code, and the list will display again for the selection of a different reason code. The adapter also has a Click to Dial feature. the agent can scroll down on the open record to the phone fields, where he or she will see it is hyperlinked and with a green handset next to the number. By clicking on that hyperlinked number, an outbound call will automatically be launched to that number. Once the called party answers, the agent will have the same phone controls that are available on an inbound call and will also be able to save notes to the call log. Another way to initiate an outbound call is by clicking on the Line 1 bar. A dialing box along with a dial pad will come into view where the agent can manually enter the number of the party to be called. When the agent is ready to end work for the day, he or she will log out by selecting the Log Out option. After logging out, the login screen will once again be displayed. The Salesforce Cloud Connector Suite is available for Avaya, Cisco, and Genesys telephony platforms, and for any telephone system that supports TAPI protocol. For more information, please go to our website at simplicity.com. Thank you for spending time with us today.